Yensini kubona abanga barokane ko bwerenyo mu kubwatikana ko uchumi na boigo no bogima abasabu litukolera bagukwana ko rwaso mu cyobosongo niko batebere buno bogima niko bagendera to ngari tuko cya serinde niko bayakwana yachinga gicho kubwatani gwa komajega bwenyangi bo omorokia oyo mu bweskuru ya Nyabururu ya baiseke omajego kolekana second difference ime ye county ya Kisii muri kito dipo na sanya na robochi rwa senchira yoboime Ekegori egeken nigo kigenderete gwetera ebire bikongu kubwatikana no gokonga kubugima anene emergency ya Kenya ekiombe gya agency gotasoa ase chinyomo Martha na Robert nigo bagosangana into ayega maega yogotara ase sabali ntambe.
Dating for a whole year is not easy, especially with this generation. Gen Z's, date raisi.
It has been quite a journey coming to this point. We have been dating for over a year and we thank God that He has been faithful. And the plans have their normal challenges as weddings are, but I'm so grateful that I had friends to help through prayer, financial support, and here we are. Our day has been a success. Honestly, we never expected what we have seen, but it has been overwhelming and we are so overjoyed in our hearts. We are so grateful.
God has been faithful. The assurance that God has given us all this time is that it will be marvelous, and indeed we can witness that today was marvelous.
Omujegura wana Bishop Kennedy Nyarieko ime ye kanisa ya Deliverance Kisii nigo aina na maigelio yogo twara chimbwa chingia na kulemererania asobugima.
Is built by someone. Nasema kwamba kila nyumba imejengwa na mtu. It is built. Inajengwa na mtu. But he who builds all things. Lakini anayejenga vitu vyote is God. Anaitwa Mungu.
Ajaigani garenge asomojega bwo kubwatanirwa kwenyangi gati yo mworoke bw'eskuru y'abaiseke ya Nyabururu. Oyubono ikiranwa n'abageni abange abo baigo bayogokera nako yokoboko.
Majina mimi naitwa Okema Thomas, I'm a teacher at Nyabururu Girls. We are here today celebrating and joining in the celebrations of the wedding of one of our colleagues, Mr. Mbati. Mr. Mbati, Robert is our colleague of mathematics. His wedding today, and the wedding has been very colorful. Tumefurahia sana. We have enjoyed. He's a good teacher.
Maiga ya jeni gobanyora obosemia kurwa saba imari kubwatikana no gokunga kubugima aso kubaho gosemelia na boigo kubarigania bene asobugimo boya.
Imekuwa ni safari mrefu, but kwa yote Mungu ametupigania, ametusaidia. Tuliona ya kwamba tutaweza, lakini kwa grace ya Mungu alituwezesha, tumefika hapa mahali tumefika.
Itakuwa rahisi, lakini wakimtegemea tumekuwa pamoja na mume wangu, nimemtumainia Mungu, ametutoa chini na ametuweka juu.
Yinko ripoteria Ndizi TV korwa obogatakati bwo mu Cyobosongo litiriane nkoro kwa Dipon Hasanya.